Hello and welcome to Biz Points. Let's get down to the key biz points of Micron Technology. Micron Technology's fourth quarter 2024 financial conference call began with Satya Kumar, Corporate VP of Investor Relations and Treasurer, welcoming participants and introducing key executives. He noted that the call would discuss financial results on a non-GAAP basis, unless otherwise specified. Sanjay Mehrotra, CEO and President, started the executive commentary by highlighting Micron's strong finish to fiscal year 2024. He reported that fiscal Q4 revenue was at the high end of the guidance range, while gross margins and earnings per share exceeded the high end of the guidance ranges. Mehrotra announced Micron's fiscal 2024 revenue grew over 60%. We expanded company gross margins by over 30 percentage points and achieved revenue records in data center and in automotive. The CEO emphasized Micron's competitive positioning, stating, "We are entering fiscal 2025 with the strongest competitive positioning in Micron's history." He highlighted leadership in 1-beta DRAM and G8 and G9 NAND process technology, as well as leadership products across end markets. Mehrotra noted robust data center demand exceeding leading-edge node supply and driving healthy supply-demand dynamics. Looking ahead, Mehrotra expressed confidence in fiscal 2025, projecting a substantial revenue record with significantly improved profitability in fiscal 2025, beginning with our guidance for record quarterly revenue in fiscal Q1. The call then moved to discuss technology advancements. Mehrotra reported that 1-beta DRAM and G8 and G9 NAND nodes are ramping in high volume and will become an increasing portion of the mix through fiscal 2025. He also mentioned that 1-gamma DRAM pilot production using extreme ultraviolet lithography is progressing well, with volume production on track for calendar 2025. Regarding cost reductions, Mehrotra stated, "We expect fiscal 2025 DRAM front-end cost reductions, excluding HBM, to be in the mid to high single-digit percentage range. We expect fiscal 2025 NAND cost reductions to be in the low to mid-teens percentage range." The CEO then discussed various end markets, starting with the importance of memory in AI. He emphasized, multiple vectors will drive AI memory demand over the coming years: growing model sizes and input token requirements, multimodality, multi-agent solutions, continuous training, and the proliferation of inference workloads from cloud to the edge. In the data center market, Mehrotra reported strong demand and healthy customer inventory levels. He projected server unit shipments to grow in the mid to high single-digit percentage range in calendar 2024, driven by strong growth for AI servers and low single-digit percentage range growth for traditional servers. Mehrotra highlighted Micron's position in the data center, stating, "We expect each of these three product categories, HBM, high-capacity D5 and LP5 solutions, and data center SSD products, to deliver multiple billions of dollars in revenue in fiscal 2025. Regarding HBM, high-bandwidth memory, Mehrotra reported excellent progress on yield and output capability. He stated, "We expect to achieve HBM market share commensurate with our overall DRAM market share sometime in calendar 2025. The CEO projected the HBM TAM to grow from approximately $4 billion in calendar 2023 to over $25 billion in calendar 2025. Moving to the PC market, Mehrotra noted that PC customers have built inventories due to rising memory prices and anticipated growth in AI PCs. He expects healthier inventories at PC OEMs by spring 2025 and projects PC unit volumes to grow in the low single-digit range for calendar 2024, with accelerated growth in the second half of calendar 2025. In the mobile market, Mehrotra reported that smartphone unit volumes in calendar 2024 are on track to grow in the low to mid-single-digit percentage range, with growth expected to continue in 2025. He highlighted the trend of AI-enabled smartphones requiring higher DRAM content. For the automotive market, Mehrotra announced that Micron achieved a fiscal year record for automotive revenue in 2024 for the fourth consecutive year. He expects a resumption in automotive growth in the second half of fiscal 2025. Regarding market outlook, Mehrotra upgraded the expectation for calendar 2024 industry DRAM bit demand growth to the high teens percentage range. For calendar 2025, he projected both DRAM and NAND industry bit demand growth to be around mid-teens percentage range. On the supply side, Mehrotra noted, due to CapEx and supply reduction actions taken across the industry in 2023, we expect industry wafer capacity in both DRAM and NAND in 2024 to be below 2022 peak levels, and for NAND, meaningfully so. Mark Murphy, Executive VP and CFO, then presented the financial results. He reported total fiscal Q4 revenue of approximately $7.8 billion, up 14% sequentially and up 93% year over year. Fiscal 2024 total revenue was $25.1 billion, up 62% year over year. Murphy detailed the performance of different business units, noting that the compute and networking business unit revenue was $3 billion, up 17% sequentially. The mobile business unit revenue was $1.9 billion, up 18% sequentially. The storage business unit revenue was $1.7 billion, up 24% sequentially, led by data center SSD reaching a quarterly revenue record. The CFO reported that the consolidated gross margin for fiscal Q4 was 36.5%, improving over 8 percentage points sequentially. Operating expenses in fiscal Q4 were $1.081 billion, up $105 million sequentially. Looking ahead to fiscal Q1 2025, Murphy provided guidance stating, "We expect revenue to be $8.7 billion, plus or minus $200 million. Gross margin to be in the range of 39.5%, plus or minus 100 basis points, and operating expenses to be approximately $1.085 billion, plus or minus $15 million. During the Q&A session, executives addressed various topics. Regarding HBM, Sanjay Mehrotra emphasized the company's strong position, stating, "We are well positioned with our product, with its performance, with this power, and that's what is really putting us in the strong position of being sold out for our 24 and 25 timeframe." When asked about potential HBM oversupply in 2025, Mehrotra expressed confidence in Micron's position, noting, "We certainly assume that the third supplier will ultimately succeed in having HBM3E product as well, and will have some share in the marketplace as well." And again, as I pointed out earlier, with the solid product that we have, our product has sold out through 2025 timeframe, and we are really well positioned with this product. This wraps up the earnings call. If you found this clip useful, we would appreciate it if you could help by liking, sharing, and subscribing, as well as viewing our other clips on other companies. Thank you.